Hi, I'm Braden with Bears Home Solutions, and today I'm talking about air exchangers. Some of the benefits for air exchangers are that they bring fresh air from the outside and remove stale air from your home. There's two types of air exchangers, either whole home, which is attached to your ductwork, or point of use, which just usually goes into a grill inside your home. If you open the air exchanger door, inside there's a core and there's pre-filters. Usually the core is cleaned once a year and the pre-filters twice a year, but they do have instructions on the core that tell you what to do. The inside can also be vacuumed out. One last thing the homeowner can check are the hoods outside. They have screens on them that can get plugged up with debris and should be cleaned if they are dirty. I'm Braden with Bears Home Solutions, and I hope you found these tips useful.